Configuring and activating LDAP. Start by navigating to additional features, and then click on Phone Directory. In this guide we will update the central directory. Click on the bold Central Directory option. In the next stage you have two options. You can either select CSV Upload if you have a bulk of entries to add, or click the plus to add an individual entry. For this guide we will be adding one entry. At this stage, enter the details of the individual or company that you wish to add to your central directory. Once done, continue to click Next to confirm the entry. Now click the link at the top to go back to the phone directory to begin subscribing seats to the hosted directory. Click the plus in the right-hand corner. Click on the seat drop-down and select the seat you wish to allow access to the hosted directory. Progress through the next menu to confirm the seat you wish to add. Lastly, you can test the entries that have been added by loading up the VoiceHost desktop softphone, followed by clicking on the Contacts option on the left-hand panel to show the newly added entry. Please remember to subscribe, like, and turn notifications on for future uploads. For any queries or further assistance, please contact support via phone on 01603 90 40 90 or via email at support@voicehost.co.uk.